Yo, so I'm getting ready to show you how to get the bag with an ugly house in less than a minute. All right, get your calculators out. Tommy, let's go. So I'm riding around. I see this house. It didn't look like this at all. It looked like this. All right, so then I see a for sale by owner sign right there. Now this is a duplex. So I called them. I asked them how much they wanted for the house. They said $35,000. I gladly accepted. I wrote it what's called an offer to purchase on it. They accepted the offer to purchase. I sent the offer to purchase over to my hard money lender, had my contractors over here. We did what's called a scope of work to let the hard money lender know exactly what it would cost to bring this house up to 2023 standards, right? After we did that, we fixed the house up. We then got it reappraised. It reappraised for $230,000. We did what's called a DSCR loan to pull our cash back out. So now we're not out of pocket anything. And now we have $70,000 of equity sitting in this house. You want to know more? Hit us up.